Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'll show you how to fix frozen or unresponsive screen on your Samsung Galaxy A27. If your phone is not reacting to anything you do, press and hold the power button and volume down button. You will see the power menu appear, but we're not going to click anything because our screen is not working. Press and hold the power button and let go of the volume down button. Press and hold only the power button, and then you can also let go. The phone should now be in a state where it either restarts or is powered off. Press and hold the power button until you see the Samsung logo appear. Once it appears, you should be good to go. We're going to keep holding it. Sometimes it may take a long time, but it is restarting without us using our screen. Now we're going to wait. If your screen is still unresponsive, you can also make sure that your screen protector is taken off. If it's applied properly on the screen without going off the edges, you can keep it, but make sure it's not too thick. Some companies make them really thick to break the screen protector and not the screen. We are after a restart, and let's try to swipe the phone. Everything is working just fine. As a last resort, you can update your software. We're going to go to Settings. In the Settings, we're going to scroll down and go to Software Update. Here we can click Check for Updates. If you're on the latest version just like me, I know that for a fact because One UI 5 is the latest. Then make sure to bring the phone to an authorized service center and tell them about the issue. If you have a warranty, the repair will not cost you anything, but if you don't, it might cost a lot depending on the screen type and if you do it in an authorized place. That's how you can do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one.